Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So today is Saturday and I have a late haul to share with you. This was a haul I went on, I don't remember, last week, Monday, Tuesday, something like that. So when everybody was going to Michael's, I went too. And they had the papers, specialty papers that, oh no, it got curled. Okay, so these are the specialty papers that were ringing up 50 cents a piece. And it was, yeah, 50 cents a piece. So anyway, this is what I picked up. These are the vinyl. It's like everyone uses them for ribbon. I picked up 1, 2, 3. I picked up 4 of these for 50 cents a piece. I did pick up I hope you guys could see this color. It's like a pink with yellowish. Oh my gosh, there's so much. There you go. There you go. You can see the ombre in the color. So I picked up 2 of those. And then I picked this one up. Oh my gosh, the texture on this paper. OMG. So it has similar ombre effect like this one, but it also has the texture. And I love this. Oh my gosh. It just brings me into mermaid scale. And so does this one. I picked up 1. I don't know why I only picked up 1 of these. I'm kicking myself. Actually, there's 2. So this goes from blue and purple. You see the 2. Oh, there we go. This one's purple. This one's blue. And they have the same texture on them. You can see that. And these came up 50 cents also. And then there's the pink version of those 2. It's got that ombre again. I mean, if I can go back, I'll get more. Just because these are not usually 50 cents. They usually run about, what do they run for? I don't know because it doesn't show. Oh, almost $2, I think. It's not on the papers either. It's about $1 something, under $2. But for them to be 50 cents a piece, I love that. The other things I picked up from Michael's, this is the same day. I picked up the cardstock. They were on sale. I believe the cardstocks were 50. I think they were 50. I don't know. Recollections, value. It doesn't even say. Where am I looking? Paper pack, 8.5 by 11. Usually, wait a minute. It was supposed to be on sale. Oh, buy one, get one half off. That's what it was. So I picked up the purple hues, and there are 50 sheets, and they're 65 pounds. I picked up the black because I was loving how Christian was doing her word phrases and dies, her die cuts with a black background. It was looking nice and pretty, guys. And then they had the Valentine stuff. It was not on sale. They were all one at $4, one $3. Yeah, they were all regular price. So I picked up 2 of the flowers. These are the, what are this called? Resin? Yeah. Resin flowers. They're stickers. So I picked 2 of those up. I don't know why I only grabbed 1. I was trying to grab 2 of this, and I don't know. I got distracted. But these are so pretty. And then the last thing I got there was the Valentine's Recollections paper pad. Erica Scrap Diva, she showed this, and I was like, oh my gosh, they're double-sided on the smaller one. I am gonna get it. So I grabbed the small paper pad, not the large. I left the large. I don't need the big ones. I'm learning right now with the Valentine crafts that I've been making. I've been using up my smaller paper pad rather than the larger one because I want to save the 12 by 12. So look, I really tore through this paper pad. The larger papers, the 12 by 12s for like 3D projects, dimensional projects. But for die cutting, these are gorgeous. Look at all that. So I picked this one up and it was $6.99. Wait a minute. I guess. And then I had the coupon, so that's what brought it down. So that is what I got from the Michaels. I was well behaved. Did not spend a lot there. I went to Walmart. I did pick up some stuff at Walmart. And let me just get it out of the bag. This is very unusual for me. But I did pick up some more glitter paper. And these were like $4.99 for, not glitter, they're like shimmer. Diamond print shimmer paper. You can see how the glitter. So I picked up 2 of those, and I did find this. Now this is for the Happy Planner. They were selling the sticker books. They were smaller sticker books, and because at the time they had these Disney Happy Planners. There were 3 different styles, or 4 I think. So I grabbed this big book. So instead of getting the 4 individual styles, I just got this book. You guys, there's so many stickers in here. You don't have to use it for planners, but you get so much. Oh my God, I love it. Love it. And I believe this was, oh my gosh, I don't even have the receipt. I don't know. I don't remember. I don't even remember. But when I rang it up, I was like freaking out. I was like, oh my God, I'm not getting another one. I don't buy planners anymore because I'm horrible at it. But being that we're getting ready to move and we have a few things lined up for this move, I wanted to attempt to get organized in a planner so that I don't miss anything. Look at, oh my God, Minnie. She's so cute. So there were 3 different styles of the Happy Planner. There was one that was all black and white with the gold accents. And there was one that was all colorful with the pals, Mickey and pals. Look, it says Minnie. Oh my gosh. So cute. Look at how cute. The hands with the hearts. Oh my gosh, perfect for Valentine's. Look at it. So cute. Love it, love it. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Yes, sir. Ah, pinky promise. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, Walmart. So crazy. But I did get it. I was looking at the princess planners, and then I came across this Mickey Happy Planner. So, and then they had these, with the black and white. I love the silhouette. There it is. So that was one of the planner versions. And this was the last book in my store. Then they had those gold. Oh my gosh. Look at it, so cute. It can almost pass as lavender or periwinkle or blue, or who cares? It's beautiful. Then they had mini. I didn't, oops. It's okay. I'm going to use these stickers. Hopefully. Love yourself from bow to toe. How cute. Look at the little glitter. Look at the little sparkles. Oh my gosh, I thought I was showing it. There you go. How cute is she? And I love that you get two pages. Look at the pink bows. Where's the bow hose? Look at her. How cute. Oh my gosh. So I didn't have time last week to do a haul. So this is all from last week, and I'll probably do another haul Sunday. I don't know if I could get out of the house. But, and then they had, this is the other planner style. It was Mickey and Pals. So I figured I'll just buy this one book get all the stickers. Look at Daisy, how cute. She is so cute. Goofy, he's so funny. Oh my gosh, there's Donald, Wacky Donald. Oh, so, wow, did they not have Donald Duck? How would they not have Donald Duck? Oh, there he is. I missed him. He was right at the top. But it's so cute, guys. Oh my gosh. 576 pieces, and it's coming apart because it's so freaking fat, but that's okay. Like I said, I'm not a planner, but I did get this, and I did get one of the planners. Vertical layout. And look at Mickey. Oh my God. I got the best that was there, that was left, because there wasn't many. But this one, this planner was $20. It was 19 something. But I love it. Look at this red in the inside. It's so cute. Okay, so I did not open this, so let's get into this bad boy. And I'm going to attempt to use a planner. Louisa, are you falling over? Where are you, girl? Because I'm going to attempt to use this planner for our upcoming move. And hopefully I could stay organized. Hopefully cross all your fingers and your toes and your thumbs. So a vertical layout, that's what it looks like. Let me pull it out. Isn't that cute? Oh, and then we can all do that, you know, social media. So I'm going to leave it right there. So this is what my planner looks like. Oh my God. How cute is he? 22, 23. Love that. And then you also have the months. I've never seen this style. And they have the months with the days. And it's also tells you what day of the week. How cute. Never done this. Never seen this. So that'll be great for me because then I can write the main event of that day as far as us moving and then getting to the other side and moving in. Whew, getting all the utilities, getting the boy into school, getting myself situated medically. Oh my gosh. All the crazies, right? We're going to get them all in. We're going to get them all in. Oh, and if I didn't show you, the discs are red hearts. I love it. I've never seen it like that, but I know they had other discs with the hearts, but never seen it like this with the Mickey and the all that good stuff. So then we also have the month. You got your ideas. You got a list space here. You could put your holidays and birthdays down here on the bottom. I love, love, love this print. How gorgeous. I really need a laser printer because, oops, because the laser printer, you could do foiling. I'm just so excited. I want to move so I could get me a laser printer. And then I could do some foiling, which would be so much fun. These are so cute. So the smaller sticker book for this planner has like the weekly decorations and stuff like that. I don't want to get those. I mean, I say that now, but I might. But I do still have a bunch of planner stickers that I have that I need to use. Otherwise they're just gonna go to waste. Look at this layout. Oh my God, I'm excited. I'm excited. I want to get organized. This January is pretty much gone, so February I could start planning out for, what do you call that, projects that I want to get done for the month of February. I have some crochet items that I want to get made and sell here before I get on our move, and then get into March where my son is coming out. He's coming back out here for his birthday. Oh my gosh, yeah, so many things. I mean, I'm now seeing what I want to get into this book. So this year I'm going to try. Now that I got a new planner, I'm trying to get excited, get this sticky stuff off of here because we already saw what that's going to do. I'm going to use that Goo Gone. So we take this off and let's just commit to it. I like the I attempted that horizontal, now I got a vertical. Back then it was harder to get the vertical in this size. At least for me it was, because I was wanting to use the vertical when I started out. But yeah, that's it. All right, so we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna slip this in here because I don't want to lose it. I have to update birthdays. And I have one more haul. Oh, it's very, very small. Very, very small. So this is a Dollar Tree. This is from Dollar Tree. I picked up this 10-piece felt banner. It's got some pretty pieces in here. It looks like that and like that. So I was going to use that in some crafts. I did pick up a pair of socks. It's just simple heart socks. I did grab these ribbons, the velvet ribbons, red, pink, black, and white. So I grabbed those. And then the last thing I did grab from Dollar Tree were the faux vinyls for the cutting. It's faux leather, not faux vinyl, faux leather. And let's see, this one is the brown. Ooh, nice. That's a nice piece, and it's super soft. Not much of a backing. Usually you have like a little felt backing, but I don't mind. That's pretty cute. Waterproof effect and soft feel, easy to cut with scissors, widely used, perfect for sewing, crafts, accessories, jewelry, and more. Available in multiple colors. So I got the brown. I'm just going to pull them out of these boxes so that I could get rid of the boxes and take up too much space. I got white. Oh, that is a very pretty white. Oh, nice. I grabbed a blue. It's like a navy, a deep blue. Oh, that is so pretty. Wow, look at that. So it's very thin, guys. So if you were using this for like Louisa makes traveler's notebooks and planners with these. Hers is usually thicker. She was saying it's a little thicker to keep it sturdy. But if you plan on using this for covers, you might want to reinforce it with some stabilizer and put another fabric, and that will stiffen up the faux leather. But look at these colors, you guys. Look at these colors. Wow. I think those are really, really, really nice. So that is faux leather. I'm going to keep that, keep it all together. That is it for my late haul. Throw this away. And I want to thank you all for joining me. And I hope to see you all on the next video. See you guys. Bye.